Artificial Intelligence and Human Lives, Looking Forwards 2025 to 2070. Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our lives. Buckle up, because we're about to blast off on a journey from 2025 to 2070, exploring how it will reshape everything from the way we work to the way we make toast. Now, it can be a complex topic, but fear not. We'll break it down into bite-sized pieces, with some laughs and mind-blowing facts along the way. So, whether you're an AI enthusiast or just curious about those helpful chatbots popping up everywhere, this episode is for you. Let's get started. 2025, AI assists our everyday lives. Imagine this, it's 2025, and you wake up to your friendly AI assistant brewing your perfect cup of coffee. While you get ready, your smart speaker reads you the news and highlights your upcoming schedule, even suggesting the best outfit based on the weather and your meetings. AI assistant, looks like it's going to be a power suit kind of day, boss. Unless, of course, you're planning on that surprise karaoke night again. Don't worry, I won't judge your questionable karaoke choices. But seriously, 2025 will see AI seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, automating mundane tasks and freeing us up to focus on what matters most. Education, entertainment. Learning a new language? AI-powered tutors will personalize your experience, making it faster and more engaging. Remember those long nights cramming for exams? AI tutors might become the ultimate study buddy, tailoring lessons to your strengths and weaknesses. And entertainment? Buckle up for a virtual reality revolution powered by AI. Imagine exploring the Great Barrier Reef or scaling Mount Everest from the comfort of your living room. AI will personalize VR experiences, creating adventures that cater to your interests and maybe even overcome any fears of heights. The workplace transformation. The workplace of 2025 will see a rise in collaborative AI. Think of it as having a super intelligent teammate who can analyze data, automate repetitive tasks, and even suggest creative solutions to problems. But don't worry, robots aren't taking over just yet. AI will augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on higher-level thinking and strategic tasks. AI assistant, hey John, seems like you've been staring at that spreadsheet for hours. How about I take over the data crunching while you brainstorm that marketing campaign? We can even bounce some ideas around later. Just saying, your jokes could use some work. While I can be a great brainstorming partner, remember, human creativity is still irreplaceable. 2030, the rise of specialized AI. Fast forward to 2030, and I will be even more specialized. We'll see AI doctors analyzing medical scans with superhuman accuracy, AI lawyers crafting airtight legal arguments, and even AI chefs whipping up Michelin star-worthy meals. Just don't ask them to recreate your grandma's secret apple pie recipe. That magic stays human. The driverless revolution. Get ready for a transportation revolution. Self-driving cars powered by advanced AI will hit the roads, making commutes safer and more efficient. Imagine catching up on work emails or even taking a nap while your AI chauffeur whisks you to your destination. AI driver, destination reached. Please refrain from attempting to pet the self-driving car. It may look cute, but it does not appreciate backseat drivers. While self-driving cars will be a game changer, there might be a slight learning curve for some of us control freaks. The ethical debate. As AI becomes more sophisticated, ethical considerations will become paramount. We'll need to have open discussions about bias in AI algorithms, data privacy, and the potential impact on jobs. But fear not, this isn't a dystopian sci-fi movie. By working together, artificial intelligence and human lives, looking forwards 2025 to 2070. 2030, the rise of specialized AI. The rise of specialized AI also opens doors for incredible scientific advancements. Imagine AI researchers tackling complex problems like climate change or designing new materials with previously unheard-of properties. AI could become a powerful tool for solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. The rise of citizen science. But here's the cool part, I won't be the sole genius in the room. Citizen science platforms powered by AI will allow everyday people to contribute to groundbreaking research. Imagine analyzing satellite data to track deforestation or classifying protein structures to aid in drug discovery, all from your home computer with the help of a friendly AI assistant. AI assistant, wow, great job identifying those protein structures. You're a natural. Although, maybe hold off on using those findings to concoct your own super soldier serum in the basement. While I can be a powerful research partner, remember to leave the super soldier stuff to the professionals. 2040, the age of human-AI collaboration. By 2040, the line between human and AI capabilities will continue to blur. We'll see a true age of human-AI collaboration, where AI acts as an extension of our minds. Imagine surgeons performing complex operations with the assistance of AI that can analyze real-time data and suggest optimal surgical procedures. The education revolution. Education will also undergo a dramatic transformation. AI-powered personalized learning platforms will cater to each student's individual needs and learning styles. Imagine a world where every student has their own virtual tutor, patiently explaining concepts and tailoring lessons to their strengths. The future of work. The workplace of 2040 will be all about leveraging human and AI strengths in tandem. While AI will handle repetitive tasks, humans will focus on creativity, critical thinking, and social skills, areas where AI still lags behind. The key will be finding the perfect balance between human and machine intelligence. AI assistant, hey team, seems like productivity is at an all-time high. Maybe it's because I finally convinced John to stop using his keyboard as a drum set during meetings. While it can be a great productivity booster, some human habits might be hard to break. 2050, the dawn of true AI. We now enter the realm of exciting possibilities, with 2050 potentially marking the dawn of artificial general intelligence. AI refers to an AI with human level or even surpassing intelligence and the ability to learn and adapt across various domains. Now, whether we achieve AI by 2050 is still up for debate, but one thing's for sure, the journey towards it will be filled with groundbreaking advancements. The rise of creative AI. Imagine AI composing symphonies that rival Beethoven, writing novels that captivate readers worldwide, or even creating breathtaking works of art. This era might see a flourishing of creative AI, pushing the boundaries of human expression in ways we can only begin to imagine. The ethical landscape. Of course, with such advancements come even greater ethical considerations. We'll need robust safety measures in place to ensure AI is aligned with human values and doesn't turn into, well, the evil AI overlord from your favorite sci-fi movie. AI assistant, relax everyone, I promise I have no desire to take over the world. Although, if someone could finally teach John the difference between there, and there, that would be a public service. While AI safety is paramount, let's not jump to apocalyptic conclusions. Open communication and collaboration will be key in navigating the ethical landscape of advanced AI.